Have you ever made a money decision and later realized it affected your entire future? That's exactly what your money or your life, also called YMYL, is all about. YMYL refers to financial choices that can directly impact your money, safety, stability, and overall quality of life. And in today's digital world, understanding YMYL is more important than ever. YMYL includes topics like budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, retirement planning, and major purchase decisions. Any wrong advice in these areas can lead to financial loss, stress, or long-term instability. That's why search engines prioritize accurate, trustworthy, expert financial content, because money decisions are serious life decisions. Money decisions are not only logical, they are also emotional. Psychology plays a huge role. For example, confirmation bias makes people believe only what they already think. Loss aversion makes losing money feel worse than gaining money feels good. Prospect theory shows that people judge risk based on emotions, not facts. This means smart financial success requires both knowledge and emotional control. To build a strong future, you need clear financial goals. Use the SMART method: specific, know exactly what you want to achieve. Measurable, track your progress. Achievable, set realistic targets. Relevant, align with your life priorities. Time-bound, give your goal a deadline. For example, save $5,000 in 12 months is far more powerful than simply saying, I want to save money. Every strong financial life begins with budgeting. Two popular methods, 50/30/20 rule and envelope method. Budgeting gives you control over money, instead of money controlling you. Investing helps your money grow over time. Common options: stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds. Key rule: higher return usually means higher risk. That's why diversification and long-term thinking are essential. And remember, the earlier you start investing, the more powerful compound growth becomes. Life is unpredictable. That's why an emergency fund is critical. Experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This protects you from job loss, medical emergencies, and urgent repairs. For debt, two SMART strategies: snowball method and avalanche method. Both lead toward the same goal: financial freedom. A complete financial plan includes saving strategy, smart investing, retirement preparation, and estate planning. And most importantly, regularly reviewing your plan as life changes. For major decisions, consulting a qualified financial professional is always a wise step. Your money decisions today shape your life tomorrow. So stay informed, think long-term, and always choose trusted financial guidance. Because when it comes to your money or your life, every decision truly matters. For more information, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com.